Okay, this is the first floor of the house, and these are the pillars to hold up the second floor. I think that looks good. 8 of them. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Alright, I should be able to make a reasonable pillory shape with these. I kind of like to plane them, but they've got cement on them and it'll dull the crap out of the planer. So I'm just not gonna worry about it. Alright, somewhere here. That might be good. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good to me. Okay, for future reference, these are 67.5 noodle units apart. So like almost 34 from the center of the door. And then almost 34 from the center of this window. And old car batteries seem to be doing a good job securing it against the wall. Good. The only thing we have to do before we put the concrete in is fill these gaps. Because, you know, this flat wall area was made from like the same mold as this whole curved thing. So it's not actually a flat wall. It like bows out and then bows out and then bows out. So, you know, there isn't a ton of space. It's close to flat, but there's enough space there that cement will, you know, leak out the side. Let me see how you're doing. Oh yeah. Oh, it doesn't. Whoa.
What?
We need to make them like curved because it's not a flat thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, this is good. This is good. This is good. We can cut the curve. Cut the curve in here. All right, that should be good. Need 6 of them. Oh, and a piece. Oh, we can take some of our pieces and do the top right there. Ah, beauty. All right, that's good, right? Now, how much concrete do you think it'll take to fill that? A bucket? Let's start with a bucket. Did you just say 4 buckets?
Well, if they're full buckets.
What?
If they're full buckets, then probably like
I don't think it'll be 4.
3.5.
Well, I don't know. Let's just start and see how it goes. I don't think it'll be 3.5.
You think it'll be less or more?
I think it'll be less. Your name's Ma'am.
Your name's Ma'am.
Your name's Ma'am.
Your mom is Ma'am.
Is that the end of that bucket?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like right here.
Well, good
We
thing.
need this much more.
Good thing we have the other bucket.
2 full buckets fills one of those. I decided to make those 7 feet high. Yeah. We decided to make a couple more of those too, which are those, you know, for the wall, which I didn't work on for a while. Well, it's looking good though. Come on. Oh. 3 of these. Hurry on. No, my thing fell off. All right. Pick up the staple gun again. I gotta fill in a bit of gaps here, but otherwise looking great. Ooh, that is nice. Beauty. Well, if I do one of these a day, that'll be 8 days. Yesterday it poured rain, so I came out and scrubbed the building with some soap and some stuff and some junk and got it all clean. And now it looks like it's dried out, and I think I have good weather for painting. All right, what's this stuff? Sayador sealer. Oh my God, could the words be any smaller? Hold on. Let's get her. All right, now I can read anything. Usage instructions, blah, blah, blah. No grease, clean it. Yeah. All right. Recoat in 4 hours. All right, well, that's pretty straightforward. Oh, I'm pretty sure I have a roller. Yeah, that's the one. I want the big one. It's latex, so I'll be able to wash the roller. It's a used one. Totally fine. That is not going to be long enough. I'm going to need a long stick on this. So I got to reach way down the roof from the hole in the top. Oh, I have another roller with the screwy end. This one does not have the... How does it not have the screw end? Crazy. Oh no, come on. All right, I gotta find a broom handle to put in that. Oh, give me a break. This is a standard broom handle. Oh, son of... Oh, did you want it done right? Well, do it yourself. Well, I will then. Should probably wrap a bit of tape on that, make sure it doesn't fall off. All right, whatever, it'll work.
Yeah.
Oh, I just got dirt in my paint.
Oh God, I hear the flute demon.
Oh, is your sister getting into
It's the flute demon.
the flute or flan flute? Alright, put my tray there. Need to not drop my screwdriver.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the front, I guess. I don't know how much this is going to cover. I mean, hopefully the whole building, but I didn't actually measure or anything.
You could get
I
more.
might have to try to put my tray up on the roof somehow. Kind of wish this was thinner, but I don't know if I can thin it.
I am.
Hey, Aurora, can I thin acrylic sealer?
I don't know.
If it was just paint, I would, but I don't know if the sealer is... I don't know. I'm not going to do it.
Yeah, don't risk it.
That's about as much as I can reach from the top there. And used about half a gallon. So, I don't know, we'll see. Might have enough. Oh, it's getting cooked in the sun up there. So I got my hood and sleeves on for the next part. I don't think I'm gonna have enough paint to finish this. But at least I'll get all the roof part. I've used maybe 1 1/4, maybe 1 1/2 cans so far. I have 2. And I'm getting cooked. Like, it's hot out already. Oh, there's a bit of clouds right now, which is so nice. But like being here and looking up at the white, the sun is just bouncing off it. Oh, it's like staring right at the sun. Okay. Shut up, Jaimie, get back to work. All right. I just had to go in and lay on the floor for 20 minutes to cool off. I asked my daughter, do I feel hot? And she puts her hand like near me and she's like, yes, I can feel the heat from here. Oh man, it's roasting out right now. And yeah, the sun bouncing off this white is, whatever. I just got a little more to do before I run out of that paint. I don't know what I'll do down. You know what, Jaimie, just shut up and use the rest of the paint, then figure out what to do next. Oh, and when I walked out this time, I declared that I'm not going back inside until I'm done with my paint. Well, I guess I should get 2 more gallons. That should definitely finish it. I do want to paint that up there too. Oh, it's time to go swimming. Hey kids, who wants to go swimming? Good thing I just have the easy parts to do. All right, let's go swims. Oh, I gotta wash my roller first. Great.